Hey fam, what's up? I'm back with a quick one. It has been circulating that congratulations are in order for the world boss. Yes, it is alleged that Vybz Kartel is now a grandfather since the birth of young Addi's son, who, by the way, they said is named Azil Palmer. Well, news is that the bundle of joy was delivered sometime last week. We all remember that in May, the dancehall community came to a head after an uproar following the circulation of pictures showing little Addi and his girlfriend celebrating their baby shower. I'm sure we all remember that. At that time, social media ripped the couple apart, with some people stating that they were too young to be parents because at that time, if you remember, it was revealed that little Addi was only 15 years old and the mother-to-be was 18. Well, since then, it has been circulating that he's 16. Not sure exactly what his age is. At that time, Vybz Kartel shot back, letting the critics know that they had nothing to worry about and let them know that he works enough to take care of them. He further stated, "Get a life and mind the business that can pay you." Yes, fam. So it looked like the baby is finally here because a photo of the baby wrapped up in hospital clothes circulated, yes, was doing the rounds on social media, and the picture was captioned "the Dandeya." Although it is not confirmed by either Vybz Kartel or Little Addi or the mother, persons believe the news is true and cited that it was posted on Kayla's personal Instagram page. So, while we await confirmation of this good news from any one of the members of the family, congratulations are in order for the Palmer's family. And we wish the mother. So, while we await confirmation from the Palmer's family, congratulations are in order for the new mom and the baby, and we wish them good health and long life.